In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're decluttering or looking to make some extra cash, selling on Facebook Marketplace can be a fast and straightforward way to reach potential buyers in your local area and beyond. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to facebook.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you've enabled any two-factor authentication, don't forget to have that ready too, as security is vital when accessing your online accounts. Once you're logged into Facebook, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where the main menu is. Here, you're looking for the marketplace icon, which looks like a little shop. It's usually positioned under popular sections like newsfeed and watch. Go ahead and click on Marketplace to enter your local buying and selling hub. Now, inside the marketplace, you'll spot an option to create new listing. Go ahead and click that. Here, you'll be presented with different types of listings, and you should select item for sale since you're listing a physical object. Next, it's time to make sure your item gets the attention it deserves by adding some photos. Click on Add Photos and upload clear, well-lit images of your item. Remember, first impressions matter, especially with online sales, so take a moment to ensure your pictures are high quality and accurately represent what you're selling. Moving on, you'll need to enter the details of your item. Start with a catchy yet informative title. Something like used iPhone 12, good condition, works well. Be straightforward but highlight key features. After the title, it's time to set your price. Consider what others are asking for similar items and price yours competitively to attract interest. Then select the appropriate category for your item, whether it be electronics, furniture, or others on the list. Next, specify the condition of your item. Options like new or used can help set buyer expectations right away. When it comes to the description, brevity is key, but make sure you're clear. Share pertinent details about the item that weren't covered in the title or photos. Before you finish, set your location by entering your city or area. This helps potential buyers know where you're situated and can impact your reach on Marketplace. Also, choose your delivery method. It could be pickup, shipping, or both, depending on what's feasible for you. Finally, once all your information is in and you've given everything a final once-over, it's time to make your listing live for everyone to see. Click on Next, followed by Publish to post your item. Congratulations, your item is now up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, ready to catch the eye of interested buyers.